Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's presentation we will discuss an overview of the web from a penetration tester's perspective. As a penetration tester, exploring the vast world of the web is an essential part of our job. So let's dive right in and uncover the secrets of the web through the eyes of a penetration tester. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of penetration testing, let's take a moment to understand what the web really is. The Internet is a vast network of interconnected devices, and at its core we have the World Wide Web, which consists of websites, servers, databases, and many more. So as a penetration tester, our mission is to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in these web applications and infrastructures. Let's discuss a very important topic, that is, what is the role of a penetration tester? So as a penetration tester, our main goal is to simulate real-world cyber attacks on web applications and websites, with the owner's permission of course. And our job is to find and report security flaws and weaknesses that malicious hackers could exploit. This helps the organization enhance their security measures and protect their user-sensitive information. Now we will talk about common web vulnerabilities. So one of the key aspects of our work is understanding common web vulnerabilities. We encounter various security loopholes such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, and many more. So by mastering these vulnerabilities, we can better protect websites and the applications from potential attacks. Now let's take a sneak peek into the penetration testing process. It typically involves several stages, starting with reconnaissance where we gather information about the target. Next we move on to scanning and identifying potential vulnerabilities. So once we have found some weak spots, we move on to the exploitation phase where we basically attempt to break into the system. Finally, we prepare a comprehensive report with our findings and recommendations. Moving forward, we will discuss the art of ethical hacking. Ethics play a crucial role in our work as ethical hackers. We must always seek proper authorization before testing any system. We never engage in any unauthorized activities and we prioritize user privacy and data security. Now let's put theory into practice. So in future videos we will dive deep into practical demonstrations, where I will show you how to perform a penetration test on a web application, step by step, and you will get to see firsthand how we uncover vulnerabilities and reinforce the security defenses. Let's discuss the types of web penetration testing. Basically, there are two main types of web penetration testing, which are black box and white box testing. Black box testing is when the penetration tester has no prior knowledge of the website or the web application being tested, so they must use their own skills and knowledge to find the vulnerabilities. Whereas in white box testing, the penetration tester has full knowledge of the website or web application being tested, and this includes the source code, architecture, and the configuration. Furthermore, we will discuss the web penetration testing process. So the web penetration testing process typically follows these steps. Number 1 is planning. The penetration tester gathers information about the website or the web application that is to be tested, such as the target's IP address, domain name, and the content. Then on number 2 we have enumeration. The penetration tester identifies the website or web application's assets, such as directories, files, and databases. Then on number 3 we have scanning. The penetration tester uses automated tools to scan the website or web application for any vulnerabilities. Number 4, exploitation. The penetration tester manually exploits any vulnerabilities that were found during the scanning phase. And lastly, we have reporting. The penetration tester generates a report that summarizes the findings of the test. So now you have an overview of the web from a penetration tester's perspective. This exciting field empowers us to protect the digital world from the potential threats. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, stay curious, stay secure, and happy hacking.